PanaCIM, DGS, and ILNB form the Panasonic solution ecosystem, offering multiple functions to maximize Panasonic's placement machine capabilities. PanaCIM offers a standard interface for external software to maximize production outputs. As a modularized product, PanaCIM allows manufacturers to choose the modules that will help them maximize output while reducing costs. Material control manages the data of components consumed on the production floor. Using Real ID, it tracks the exact number of remaining components and helps minimize inventory. Reservation and allocation assure availability, and moisture-sensitive device control is also available with lifetime management. Material verification enables the verification of components at the equipment level through writing component data in feeder memory. Traceability allows for placement-level data collection to meet requirements in highly regulated industries. Enterprise Link is Panasonic's standard interface, enabling other systems to collect data or interact with Panasonic equipment. The PMD dashboard is for operators, production managers, or factory managers to visualize the current status of production and take any necessary actions in real time. Production analysis offers rich analytical data and charts for production managers to maximize performance and overall equipment efficiency. MMS manages maintenance for critical parts such as feeders, nozzles, and heads based on usage, allowing for maximum uptime and output. Full-line auto changeover controls the full production line from PCB mag loader to mag unloader and everything in between.